Hello student, this is class 9th chapter 3rd atoms and molecule. This is part 2. The second law is law of constant proportion. According to this law, in a pure chemical compound, same elements are present in definite proportion by mass and volume irrespective of method of preparation. According to this law of definite proportion, in this case suppose a compound CO2 in this compound one mole of one atom of C means this is carbon, and two atoms of oxygen is present. In this case, the ratio of these atoms is equal to 1:2. This is ratio of volume, and ratio of mass is equal to, we know that molecular mass of C is equal to 12. We write as C6 hydrogen 12. 6 is equal to atomic number. In this case 12 is atomic mass. 12 is atomic mass. The molecular mass of C is equal to 12. Molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 16. We write as oxygen 8, 16. 8 is equal to atomic number of oxygen. 16 is atomic mass of oxygen. The mass ratio, molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 16, and two atoms, in this case 2 atoms is used, so 16 multiply 2 is equal to 32. The mass ratio is equal to, mass ratio is C ratio O. C is equal to 12. Ratio 32. Now this cancel out by 4. 3:8. In this case, volume ratio of CO2 is 1:2. Mass ratio of CO2 is 3:8. This ratio is fixed for all method of preparation of CO2. Suppose CO2 prepared by 3 methods. These methods are, first method is C and O2 react together to form CO2. Second method is CH4. CH4 is methane. It is called gobar gas. This called gobar gas, methane. React with O2 to form CO2. CO2 to form CO2. In this case, and 2H2O. The next method is CaCO3 is called calcium carbonate. When heated, this form CaO and CO2. In all three methods, CO2 is formed as CaO is calcium oxide. In this case, CO2 is formed in all these methods. We saw that molecular formula is same. Molecular formula is CO2, which is same in all these methods, all three methods, in all methods. Volume ratio is same. Volume ratio is 1:2. Mass ratio is also same. It is also 3:8. So in all of these methods, molecular formula of CO2 is same, volume ratio is same, mass ratio is same. This is called law of definite proportion. This is called law of constant proportion. This is second law. Now we explain that volume ratio. Suppose in a beaker, we take C and O2. C means carbon, O2 means oxygen. Now we take 2 grams of C. We saw that volume ratio of CO2 is 1:2. So when we take 2 grams of C, then 4 grams of O2 is used. Same way as when C is 8 grams, then O2 is 16 grams. This is called 1:2. 8:16. This is cancelled out 1:2. In this case 2:4. This is cancelled out 1:2. also. I mean volume ratio is same in each case. This is called law of constant proportion. Same way as when we take C is 16 gram, then O2 is used 32 gram, then 16 ratio 32, this is cancelled out and 1 ratio 2 is formed. Now the law of constant proportion. The first example in case of CO2, C6 oxygen, O2 is present as elements. C and O2 is used as 1 ratio to there, which is volume ratio. Molecular mass of C is equal to 12 gram. Molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 16 gram. But 2 mole of oxygen is used in CO2, so 16 multiplied 2 is equal to 32 gram is equal to 32 gram. So in CO2, mass ratio is equal to 3:8. This volume and mass ratio is fixed for all method of preparation of CO2. Suppose 3 methods of preparation of CO2 are: CO2 is equal to CO2 CH4 react with O2 to form CO2 and H2. The next reaction is CaCO3. When heated, CaO and CO2 is formed. In all 3 methods of preparation, volume and mass ratio is fixed and molecular formula of CO2 is fixed. It's called law of constant proportion.